When the body and the mind start to become anxious, you might start feeling breathless. That's because anxiety is your body's natural response to fear. And this response, it sets off the sympathetic nervous system, also known as fight or flight. So your body is literally preparing itself mentally and physically to either fight or flight. A common symptom of one of these responses is feeling anxious or worried or upset or frustrated, and that's the mental. So then the physical response is that shortness of breath. The two go hand in hand. Body and mind are always connected. Hi friends, I'm Jackie and welcome to How to Calm Your Anxiety, Follow Along. In today's video, we will be going over 2 simple breathing techniques that will bring back your breathing to a comfortable level as well as soothe your anxiety. So let's begin. Our first breathing technique is called belly breathing. Either lie down on the floor or sit in a comfortable position on a chair or a cushion. Place one hand on the chest and one on the belly. Before we start our belly breathing, we're going to do one thorough exhale. Open your mouth and let out a long, gentle sigh. Feel the shoulders and the muscles of the upper body relax. On your next inhale, slowly let your belly push your hand out. Your chest should not move. Exhale, slowly let the belly drop down. Bring your awareness to every inhale through the nose. Simply let your lungs do the work, inhaling all that air. We will do this breathing 3 times. So inhale slowly, belly pushes your hand out. Exhale, gentle, relaxing. Inhale, fill up the lungs. Exhale, soothe and slow. Inhale, let the belly rise. Exhale, let the belly sink down. Take 2 more at your own pace. Take your time with each breath. Feel the breath come in and come out. Allow yourself to become present with the experience of breathing. Just letting the body breathe the new energy into each cell. Slowly return the hands, palms facing down, either on the thighs or on the ground. Allow your breathing to return to normal and observe how your mind and body has shifted during this breathing exercise. Next, we will move on to counting breathing. In this technique, we will inhale to a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and exhale to a count of 6 to stretch out the breath. So let's begin. Find a comfortable seat. Gently close the eyes. Exhale out any static air you have. Big inhale through the nose, fill up the lungs. Hold. Big exhale out through the mouth, let it go. We are going to begin our counting breathing, but let us practice one together. So follow along as I count, and then we'll do one at a normal pace. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let your breathing return to normal. Allow the body to soak in the energy. Gently open the eyes. Observe how your mind has shifted after this. If you're ever feeling anxious or breathless, please return to this video. It is always here for you. I recommend doing this every morning to add more ease to your day. Well, friends, that is the end of the video. Thank you for following along. My name is Jackie. I post 2 videos a week here on my channel. Raw vegan, meditation, yoga, breathing. If there is something you would like to see, well, go ahead and leave a comment, girl. Let me know. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye.